Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. And today I'm going to show you how you can fix BattleNet download speed issue. So firstly, just simply go to your BattleNet app, then let it log in for a second. Then after you're inside your BattleNet, then just simply click the drop box at the battle.net menu. Then over there just simply go to settings. Then just simply click downloads over here and scroll down and reach to network bandwidth. Make sure to uncheck that because if this is checked, your internet speed will be limited. So just simply uncheck this, then click done over here. Now that was the first method, and the second method for doing is just simply minimize this application, then open your start menu, then search control panel, then go to network and internet, then just simply click over here internet, or if you have a Wi-Fi, so Wi-Fi. So just simply click this, then go to properties over here, then just simply click on configure, then go to advanced. Now scroll down a little bit and over here you will find receive buffers. Just simply click on that and make sure to set the value to 512. So after that just simply press OK, then close this over here, and that should do it. That's it, and thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.